Les futures bombes royales potentielles du prince Harry ont été rendues inutiles, selon les experts royaux, après la dernière intervention de la reine. L'impact de l'autobiographie du prince Harry, qui devrait être publiée plus tard cette année, a été durement touché par la reine. Les experts royaux ont laissé entendre que les mémoires de Harry discuteraient du mariage tumultueux de ses parents et contiendraient potentiellement des révélations qui ruineraient la réputation de la duchesse Camilla. Cependant, la reine semble avoir évité toute complication révélée dans le livre en exprimant son souhait que Camilla devienne reine consort lorsque le prince Charles deviendra roi. Le monarque a mis fin à des années d'incertitude en déclarant que c'était son souhait sincère que la duchesse de Cornouailles soit pleinement reconnue lorsque son fils prendra le trône. La reine a profité de l'occasion de son jubilé de platine, marquant 70 ans sur le trône, pour faire cette annonce. Le rédacteur en chef du Daily Mail Diary, Richard Eden, a déclaré que l'annonce de la reine avait également annulé l'impact de toute révélation royale dans les mémoires de Harry. On pensait auparavant que la perspective qu'Harry révèle ses pensées sur sa belle-mère dans sa prochaine autobiographie était une pierre d'achoppement potentielle pour la promotion de Camilla. However, Mr. Eden said that the Queen's intervention last Saturday rendered anything Harry could say moot. Mail plus Palace Confidential host Joel Vine said, "Do you think some of these movies premeditated to head off any complication revealed in that book?" Mr. Eden responded, "Yes, any resistance to Camilla becoming queen has dissipated thanks to this announcement. Most people think if it's good enough to the Queen, it's good enough to me. Now with Harry, it doesn't really matter. In the book, there will be revelation, it's all going to be about his feelings about his parents' marriage and how that affected him, and it is going to drag it all up again. But I think this announcement by the Queen means that it is kind of by the by. It won't have any great impact." Charles and Camilla are touched and honored by the Queen's gesture, according to Clarence South. The Daily Mail Royal correspondent Rebecca English said that Prince William was generally supportive of the promotion for Camilla. She said, "It's a very difficult situation for him. It's really conflicting because of everything that has gone on in the past. But he respects his grandmother's and his father's judgment, and if that's what they want to do, then he will accept and support that." Harry is still expected to return to the UK for the Platinum Jubilee celebration, which will see the country enjoy a 4-day bank holiday in June. It is not yet known if his wife Meghan Markle and their children Archie and Lily will be joining him.